This is the LIFEGUARD lithium-ion fire extinguishers. This is specially for the lithium-ion batteries. It contains HMS hydrated mica suspension. This is specially designed for the small batteries explosions, for the e-bikes and for the e-batteries, e-cycles and small type of explosive fires. And this is only for the small fires. For the big fires, there is different capacity. This is a small capacity for the small explosive fires occurring by the batteries that has been mentioned on the our sticker. And for the authentication of the product, you can scan the barcode and just it will direct you to the our website, and you can see the product is authenticated and directly from the LifeGuard brand only. And how to use this product, you just have to lever this safety, remove this safety and just squeeze the ball.